So guys, in nothing less than, even before finishing the video, this was the email I received from Bybit by telling me that my card has been approved. You can see here, they said, dear card owner, earn from your assets with Bybit service. So they can say, okay, let me go to the second email. I think this is the second email. They said, congratulations, your Bybit application has been approved, even within 5 minutes. So let's go to our Bybit now to check our card if it has truly been approved.
Alright
So
guys,
let me go to
my last
own
tutorial, we looked at how we can do what? How we can create and verify our Bybit account from A to Z. So if you haven't watched the video, then I'm going to be leaving it under the comment section and the description button of this tutorial. So in a very quick one today, we are going to be looking at how we can get a virtual card with Bybit. I think we all know that their virtual card is free. They don't charge for it, in as much your account is just verified like this, and you can use your NIN to verify your passport. So now, how do you create your virtual card with this guy? Now, once you are done verifying, you want to just go to where we have more. This is their home page, so you just click on more here. So once you click on more, you can search for card, but I'm just going to scroll down. You will see where we have card. You can see it here. So they offer different services, right? But what we are dealing with is to create a virtual card. So I'm going to click on this card section here, and it's going to load. You can see here they said live the crypto live with Bybit card. So one thing I love about this card is the fact that they can do as much as possible international transaction, both local transaction. You want to pay for YouTube adverts, you want to pay for Google AdSense, you want to pay for your Google adverts, you want to do anything at all, pay for Facebook adverts, Instagram adverts, TikTok adverts. You can use this card to do that. And I think their rate is what is very low, right? Is very low. So that's one thing I love about this credit card from Bybit. So what you want to do now is to click on view my application, right? You click on view my application. So you can see here, they said you can use their card to pay for Netflix, Shopify, Prime, ChatGPT, TradeView, and the rest. So I'm going to click on view my application here. So the first process is to verify your identity. You can use your NIN, you can use your voter's card, you can use your any means of identification, right? So the second step here, the security does not allow me to do that. I would have shown you the first process, okay? So the second process is to verify your residential address. So you want to select your country. If you are from Nigeria, of course, the reason why it's showing Nigeria is simply because it has the ID card I use is Nigerian identity. So the next thing here is the street, your street's name. So you need to do what? You need to type it, right? So I'm just going to type my address here. So once you type your address here, the next thing you will click here is, you don't need the province, it's optional. Any place you see optional, you just want to just leave it and just fill in your what? Your street name, your street number, your city. That's what they needed. Then you click on confirm. So I think I'm apartment. I'll just put 1, which is the first apartment there. So I'm going to click on confirm. All right, once you click on confirm, it's going to take you to the step 3, which is the second to the last. Now they said additional information required, so they need to gather some of your financial information. So they said the first option here says, what will you use Bybit for? So you want to select this drop down arrow here, and said you can select any of these, and I'm just going to click on investing and long time holding. Right, so the second option here says what's your employment status? Click on the arrow. So I'm just going to click on self-employed here. Then the third one here says what's your income, your source of income. So you can set self-employed income. You can select any of these options, right? So the last one here was your annual income, which is your annual income. So I'm just going to select 90, the first option there, less than 90, let's just say 10,000. This video is proudly sponsored by 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤 Educational Services. If you have been willing to travel to the US, to the UK, to France and Canada to study, maybe educational purposes, or you want to maybe use the medium to relocate, 𝐻𝐼𝐧𝐤
Educational Limited is the right choice for you. What 𝐸CAS basically does is they help you process admission to any university or any college or any institution in the UK, US, France, but basically right now they are offering admission into the university of different universities in the UK. Maybe you want to go and do your master or you want to go and do bachelor degrees. This is the right opportunity for you. The benefit of using 𝐸CAS services includes the guidance. They are going to guide you, and also they are also going to be putting you through some things that you really wish to know in terms of what counseling. They are going to be counseling you on the right services you need to do, on how to go about it, and also they are going to be assisting you on your application visa fee, right? Maybe you have issues with your visa, they are going to be assisting you with that. And also another benefit of using 𝐸CAS services is that they offer free consultation. Maybe you want to consult them, you want to ask them questions, you want to ask them about their tuition fee. Is it instrumental payment, which I believe they are also doing instrumental payment, right? So you can pay your school fees instrumentally. And another benefit is that they can help you do what? Secure the they are going to help you secure this admission. All right, once they help you secure it, then you have to, it's not as if you're going to be making a full payment. You're not making a full payment, you're just going to make your part payments. And once your application and the institution give you what, once they give you the admission, then you now complete your tuition fee. Also, they are going to be helping you with accommodations, and they're going to be giving you post-study work permits. They are going to help you process all these things, right? These are things they offer. Maybe you want to school there, you want to go there to school, and you also want to be working at the same time in the UK. They are going to help you process your work permit that will give you access to start working from what? From UK, and you go to school at the same time. Help you with all these services, and they will analyze it for you on how it. They are not charging you for any agency fee or any consultation fee. If you want to consult them, you are free to consult them for free. All right, just tell them when you're messaging them, I'm going to be leaving their contact. They are Nigeria. They have offices here in Nigeria, in the UK, and in the US, right? So you can contact them with the number displaying on your screen. Just tell them it is from Zion Hub Logistics Limited. Wherever you might be watching from, maybe outside Nigeria, Ghana, US, you are eligible to study. So they are not charging you for consultation. You can just go there to make inquiry. Just text them, ask for their processes. How are they? If it actually sounds like what you're interested in. So why don't you just join the winning group to do what? To Japa and relocate to what? To UK directly. All right. So you can just contact them today and see how they works.
$1,000, less than $10,000. So once you are done selecting this, you want to click on next, which will confirm your identity. So if you want to change your mobile number here, you can change your mobile number, you can change your email. Then you want to do check in these two boxes by agreeing their terms and condition, and you want to click on submit. So once you click on submit here, is going to verify all your information, and your virtual card application will be reviewed
in nothing less than, even before finishing the video, this was the email I received from Bybit by telling me that my card has been approved. You can see here they said, dear card owner, earn from your assets with Bybit service. So they can say, okay, let me go to the second email. I think this is the second email. They said, congratulations, your Bybit application has been approved, even within 5 minutes. So let's go to our Bybit now to check our card if it has truly been approved. So let me go to my home screen and refresh what I have here. This is the notification I have. So if I'm to refresh here, then come to my card. Let's go and look for our card. Let's search for our card, right? Let me click on more again, then look for the card section to see if our card is fully activated, right? So now this is what we have now. You can see here, view my Bybit card. So if I'm to click on view my Bybit card here, it's going to show my card directly. Wow, this is awesome. This is really, really awesome. I think their rate should be awesome as well, because they are not charging for this card on compared to the other service provider, which is cheaper cash, other service provider that they issued virtual card. I think they charge for flatly black market rate, and they even charge for their card creation. So here is my balance now. I can fund my card with fiat. I can fund it with crypto. I can also do transfer, right? I can do bank transfer. So maybe in my coming tutorial now, we are going to be looking at how you can do what, how you can fund your Bybit debit card, right? So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. If you want more videos like this, more helpful content like this, just like the video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? So that's something you can do to help our channel to grow. Thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will see you in my coming tutorial. Peace out.